Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Exquisite Info TV. In this video I want to show you interior stone wall installation. What stone is used for interior walls? Winter is a great time to include natural stone in the interior spaces of your house, kitchens. Bathrooms or living rooms will benefit from granite, quartzite or marble, natural materials that never goes out of style. Use an adhesive and follow the instructions provided on the package. Ensure the base area where you'll be installing your stone is clean and dry. It is recommended to install all corner pieces first. Before installing the field, it is also recommended to work your way from the bottom to top. Spread a ½ inch to 1 inch of mortar over the back of the stone. Press the stone to the wall. As you press, rotate slightly, forcing some of the mortar to squeeze out around the edges of the stone before the mortar has a chance to set. Remove any excess from the surface of the stone with a rag. Benefits of stone cladding. Here are the top 10 benefits you must. Protects from harsh weather conditions. Revamp your old-looking walls. Works as heat resistance. Stone cladding are non-permeable. They are man-made, easier to adapt. Embarks light on the walls. Please help Exquisite Info TV for creating more videos by sharing, liking, commenting, and don't forget to subscribe.